Well, they were the Royal Navy Catering Specialist team, and the idea was that they could come in, give a bit of a careers overview about what life is like working within the Royal Navy, but also give a really good catering demonstration for the students, get them involved with some of the ration packs and the ingredients they might use if they worked within the Royal Navy, and to experiment with their recipes.
The Navy gave us a tray of ingredients and we had to cook a main course and a dessert in a certain amount of time.
They did have a guide dish that was showed to them by the Royal Navy. They did a demonstration at the beginning of what they might be able to cook, but most of the students in the group went totally off plan and they used their own creativity to come up with their own dishes.
The main course that we cooked was a chicken and vegetable curry. We really enjoyed our day and being trained by members of the Royal Navy.
Yeah, the students had a fantastic time today. They really enjoyed it. The feedback that we got was great.
The highlight of the day was the omelette challenge.
We're really grateful to the Royal Navy for giving up a day of their time to spend with the tutor and the students here at City of Oxford College.